Kuringana na uthuthuria wa gikundi kia Rotary, Arutwo a Airitu kaunti-ini ya Lamu ni marugamagia mathomo riria mari na kahinda ka mweri kumana na thiina wa tauru cia kuiga utheru. Uthuthuria ucio wonanitie arutwo 8 hari 10 nio matunganaga na mathina macio. Murugamiriri wa gikundi giki Jo Kamau akiuga thina ucio no ukinye muthia thirikari ya kaunti ingitikira kunyitanira na ikundi itiganite.
The purpose of that foundation is to recognize the girl child and the boy child, to give the boys and girls a comfortable environment so they can be able to progress in their learning without being distracted by hygiene and other issues.
Kamau aritie hindi ya kuheana uteithio wa irio undu umwe na tauru thukuru-ini ngurani kaunti-ini no kuria ningi eraniire guthie na mbere na kuhura njeki arutwo aria matehotete.
Target is we do menstrual hygiene and dignity packs for boys. The idea is to make sure that these teenagers are getting confident day by day and they don't miss schools day by day, so that they are there to be able to benefit as much as possible from education.
Augite matanya mao ni gukinyira andu aingi makiria guku akiuria thirikari cia kaunti gwetha njira cia kunina mathina maya ona ningi kurumbuia arutwo aria marabatara uteithio ngurani.
Very dehumanizing for a girl to go to school and all fail to go to school because they cannot afford sanitary towels.
By staying in the class, we are able to save around 48 days or 52 days, which he could not have been there in the class. In this primary where we have started, we are targeting around 1,100 girls, which we are going to partner with the school for the next 1 year.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.